Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V8. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V8 barely lasts a few minutes, it's likely that the battery has reached the end of its life. This is a common issue that occurs due to regular usage, where the battery loses its capacity to hold charge over time. If not addressed promptly, the performance of your vacuum cleaner will continue to deteriorate, making it less effective in keeping your home clean. To carry out this battery replacement, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement battery compatible with the Dyson V8, and a soft cloth to protect the device during the process. To begin, ensure the Dyson V8 is turned off and unplugged. Carefully lay the vacuum on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Locate the battery compartment, which is situated at the back of the unit. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the battery cover. Be gentle to avoid stripping the screws. Once the screws are out, use the flathead screwdriver to pry open the compartment cover carefully. Inside, you will see the old battery. To remove it, disconnect the cables by gently pulling them away from the battery terminals. Take note of how they are connected, as you will need to replicate this when installing the new battery. After disconnecting the cables, you can lift the old battery out of its compartment. Now, take your new compatible battery and place it in the same position as the old one. Reconnect the cable securely to the new battery terminals, ensuring a snug fit. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is connected, carefully replace the battery cover and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightened properly, but don't over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic casing. Finally, turn on your Dyson V8 to check if it runs smoothly. If it powers on and holds charge, congratulations, you've successfully replaced the battery. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure you store your Dyson in a cool, dry place away from extreme temperatures, and try not to let the battery fully deplete before charging. Regularly cleaning the vacuum can also help prolong its battery life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.